41 NBC News at 5:30.
Now that winter is behind us, we're all looking for ways to revitalize our homes for spring. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have top tips for spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning is a great way to get your home ready for guests. And Mallory Meistisch, a home care expert at Angi, is here to walk us through her cleaning process.
Spring cleaning can feel overwhelming, so I like to start by coming up with a game plan. It can take days or weeks to clean your entire house thoroughly, so don't try to do it all at once. Make a list of rooms and tackle one at a time, starting with the areas you see and use the most. If you're getting ready for a specific event, use it as a deadline and work backwards to make sure everything is clean on time.
Teamwork is key when it comes to spring cleaning. If you live with friends or family members, split up the task to lighten everyone's load. For example, adults can deep clean their own rooms along with one shared space and give kids simple tasks to help. Making it a game with rewards can encourage them to participate and stay focused.
In each room, take stock of what you have and make a toss, donate, discard pile for everything you don't use anymore. Then consider reorganizing the room. Moving furniture or rearranging decor can give any space a fresh look and feel. If you want to make major changes, now is a good time to think about what projects will work best in your space.
Once the room is decluttered and reorganized, give it a thorough clean. Every room is different, so look around and assess the room before getting started. Depending on the room, you may need to vacuum, dust, mop, or scrub all surfaces.
A true, deep spring cleaning only happens once or twice a year, so remember to clean any areas that you usually skip over, like ceiling fans, baseboards, and underneath your furniture. Make sure to move objects and clean them under instead of going around them. For example, now is a good time to take all the books off your bookshelves and give your shelves a nice, deep clean.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.